Mini Facelift in Turkey. Ready for a youthful refresh? Well, we specialize in mini facelifts that provide a natural lift to the lower face, helping you look rejuvenated and vibrant without the excessive downtime of a full facelift. Supple rejuvenation and harmonious results, we focus on restoring your youth while preserving your unique character. Our tailored approach specifically targets jowls and sagging skin, delivering a refreshed and tightened appearance that looks natural and never overdone. Personalized consultation and facial analysis. Every journey begins with a precision analysis of your facial structure and aesthetic goals. We align your vision with the best surgical techniques and reviews with real patient portfolios to ensure you feel 100% confident and informed before your procedure. The procedure. Precision and comfort. The surgery typically lasts 1.5 to 2 hours under local anesthesia, ensuring a comfortable and stress-free experience. By focusing on localized areas of the lower face, we achieve maximum impact with smaller incisions and a significantly faster healing process. Guided recovery and expert aftercare. Initial swelling and bruising are not normal signs of your body's progress. We manage this with specialized compression garments and detailed aftercare support. At Lin Europe, we provide 24/7 guidance to ensure your recovery is as smooth and quick as possible. Your transformation timeline, while you see immediate improvements as early swelling subsidizes, your final look unfolds gradually. By month 3, your contours will look much smoother, reaching their permanent, rejuvenated, and well-balanced final results by month 6. Conclusion. Exceptional facial rejuvenation requires an expert touch and a commitment to natural beauty. At Lin Europe, we are dedicated to helping you look like a refreshed version of yourself. A surgical precision and personalized care. Ready to start your journey? We're here for you.